Check out this Dodge 2018 Charger RT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are cargo net, black cloth sport seat, engine, 5.7L V8 HEM AMDS VVT, STD, manufacturer's statement of origin, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, STD, white knuckle clear coat, quick order package 29 NRT included, engine 5.7L V8 HEM AMDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, trailer sway damping RT badge, tires, P245/45R20 BSWS performance, STD, and wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches premium painted aluminum, STD. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you.